Hello everyone. Let's learn about pharmacopoeias and basic about pharmacy. Okay, homeopathic pharmacy. So the first is second volume of Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India contains 100 monograph. Okay, so second volume of Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India contains 100 monograph. And how many total Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India volumes total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 volumes of Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India. And how many number of monographs in each? So in volume 1 it is 180, volume 200, and volume 9 it is 100. Okay. Now moving on, the first Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India 1971, the last 2007. Okay. Now Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India is the official pharmacopoeia of India, and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is involved. In 1962, a committee was appointed by Central Government of India in September 1962 under the chairman of Dr. B.K. Sarkar. Okay. Moving on to the next question, next topic. Pharmacopolepsy is also known as repetition of dose in pharmacy is called pharmacopolepsy. Pharmaconomy is route of administration of drugs. Pharmacography is description of drug. Pharmacomania, abnormal tendency of taking drugs. Philia, self-drugging. Pharmacophobia, morbid dread of medicine. Pharmacopraxy, it is science which drug substance are converted into real medicine. And pharmacopsychosis, a mental disease. Moving on to the next topic, Caspary. The first homeopathic pharmacopoeia was published by Dr. Karl W. Caspary of Leipzig, Germany. In 1825, he published Homeopathic Dispensatorium for Edzé and Apotheker. Okay, so this was the name, thereby giving first idea of pharmacopoeia for physician and pharmacist. Now, pharmacopoeia is taken from the Greek word pharmacopoeia. Pharmacon means a drug, poin means to make. Okay, so pharmacopoeia is a Greek word pharmacopoeia. It is a supreme authoritative book published by government of any country, deals with scientific fact and logical attitude, rule and regulation for standardization of drugs substance, and also direction of collecting the drug from different source for preparing, preserving the sources. And it also contain external application, prescription writing, posology, monograph of the drugs. So in India, the first homeopathic pharmacopoeia was published in India. The first homeopathic pharmacopoeia was published by M. Bhattacharya and Co. in Calcutta in 1893, named Pharmaceuticals Manual. Okay, in 1893. 1971, Pharmacy Mandal and Mandal. First volume of HPI in 1971. It contains 180 monographs. Now moving on to the next. In the first edition of British Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia was published in 1870 by British Homeopathic Society, London. Second and third in 1876 and 1882 respectively. That time society had not the recognition of Royal Charter. It was not treated as official of the country, accepted by in England and abroad. Pharmacopoeia of India is published by authority of Government of India. And pharmacology is a medical science which deals with the drug, the source, appearance, chemistry, preparation, action and therapeutic use. Pharmacodynamic help us to acquire knowledge about dynamic action and effect of drug on healthy human body. And pharmacy is art and science of identifying, selecting, collecting, combining, preparing, preserving, standardization of drugs, medicine from natural synthetic source. Embrace the knowledge of medicine, art of compounding and dispensing them. Pharmacology, the science that deals with the different aspect of drug is known as pharmacology. Okay, pharmacologist is the conservant in knowledge of drug source, appearance. Okay, next, eighth question. The first homeopathic pharmacopoeia was published by Karl W. Caspary of Leipzig, Germany. In 1825, published Homeopathic Dispensatorium for Edzé and Apotheker, giving the first idea. Eighth volume was published in 2000. This contained 101 drugs. The monograph contained detail about name of the drug, synonym, the official description, the part used, identification, distribution, authority and history, preparation and storage. Boric and Teffel in 1882 New York, Philadelphia, Chicago, compiled and published the American Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia, followed by several editions. The 10th edition was published in 1904. Source of rules of homeopathic pharmacopoeia. The main sources are Materia Medica, Pura, Organ of Medicine, Chronic Disease, their nature and homeopathic treatment, lesser writing of Henneman, Essay on New Principle for ascertaining the curative power of drug, and some examination of previous principle on the value of speculative system of medicine, especially in connection with various system of practice, on the preparation and dispensing of medicine of homeopathic physicians, on the preparation of dispensing of medicines of homeopathic physician. Moving on to the next topic, in India, the first homeopathic pharmacopoeia was published by M. Bhattacharya and Co. Calcutta in 1893, named Pharmaceutical Manual. It has run into 12 editions. 10th published is 1944, incorporated and contain about 70 of the important Indian drugs. Volume 1 contain 180 drug. It was published in 1971. We in India used to follow American homeopathic up to 1971 because there was no separate book. HPI is included in second schedule of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Second schedule of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Now sources of homeopathic drug. So sources of homeopathic drug. Nitroglycerine. Glonine is a drug prepared from organic compound of nitroglycerine. The source of theridion is orange spider. Black Cuban spider is the source of mygale, and Spanish spider is a source of tarantula. Hairy spider is Cuban spider. Okay, Tarantula cubensis. Now moving on to the next, Senna. Sanotine is the active principle of Senna. Dr. E. A. Farrington in his clinical writes, the medicinal virtue of Senna are largely, although not entirely, due to a poisonous active principle which it contains. The active principle is sanotine. Morbillinum is a nosode prepared from exudate of mouth and pharynx of patients suffering from measles and not yet treated. Morbillinum. Buccopharyngeal exudation. Nosodes of the word nosode is derived from the Greek word nosos, means disease and appearance. The treatment of disease by mean of casual agent or a product of the same disease is called the treatment of by mean of casual agent or product of the same disease is called nosode. Remedies which are prepared from the disease product of human being, lower animal, disease plant, disease product, lower animal and disease plant remedies are called nosodes. Nosode prepared of disease product of human being are disease product of human being. Bacillinum is prepared from typical tuberculous lung. Botulinum is prepared from exotoxin of Clostridium botulinum. Carcinosin from cancerous tissue. Pertussin from whooping cough. Diphtherinum, diphtheric membrane. Epiphyseteranum from fibroturoid of uterus from malignant element. Influenzinum, nosode of influenza. Medorinum, urethral discharge from patient having established acute gonorrhea. Melidagrinum, nosode of eczema, capitis. Morbillinum is the nosode of measles. Parotidinum, nosode of mumps. Pestinum, nosode of plague. Sorinum, nosode of eruption. Scarlatinum, scarlet fever. Serenum, serous cancer. Syphilinum from syphilitic lesion. Tuberculinum from human tubercular lesion or cultured bacilli. Variolinum from smallpox. Prepared from other products, anthracinum, alcoholic extract of anthrax poison prepared from spleen or sheep of cattle with disease, and avium from the bacteria of chicken, tuberculous bacteria of chicken. Hyposenium, nosode of glanders of Farsi. Hydrophobium, rabbit dog. Melandrinum, grease of horses. Pyrogenum, decomposed lean beef. Vaccinum, the lymph from cowpox pustule. Umbra griseae, found in belly of sperm whale. Pfister marcocephalus, prepared from plant product. Sickle cord from a fungus grown up the seed of the sickle cereal and the grain. Ustilago from fungus grown on stem grain of the Indian corn. Nectarinum, nosodes of cancer of tree. Now moving on to the next topic, the chemical formula of calcarea carb is CaCO3, calcarea carb, carbonate of lime, impure carbonate of lime, synonym of calcarea carbonate of Henneman ester cell. Is prepared from middle layer of ester cell. It is made directly under class 7. Under class 7. Calcarea carb, calcarea phos Ca3PO42, R Ca3As2O3, 2 calcarea CaF2. Basarium is not a nosode, it is prepared from the fresh bark under the class 2. Very important, it is not a nosode. And Sorinum is a nosode prepared from the product of soric virus eruption. Medorhinum or Glinsym is a nosode urethral discharge from patient acute gonorrhea. Morgan pure is a bowel nosode prepared from lactose organism, most frequently found in the stool. Animal source. Murex is prepared from animal source. Murex is prepared from animal source. It is prepared from desiccated juice of purple fish. Murex. Some other medicine prepared from animal kingdom. Apis mellifica is prepared from the live bees. Cantharis prepared from whole dried Spanish fly. Lachesis is prepared from the venom of surucucu snake. Sepia from the inky juice of cuttlefish. Spongia prepared from whole body, including the skeleton of the Spongia tosta, which is Sycon gelatinosum. Moving on to the next, Baptisia tinctoria is prepared from the fresh bark of the root under class 3. Fresh bark of the root under class 3. Cinchona is prepared, the bark is used for preparation of Cinchona officinalis. Little mole hydrastis, the bark. Hydrastis' common name is golden seal and it is prepared from rhizome. Part used in preparation of colchicum is meadow-saffron bulb. Colchicum is meadow-saffron bulb. Okay, and the part used in preparation of ledum pal is the whole plant. Wild rosemary whole plant is used. Colchicum bulb part is used and golden seal rhizome is used. Bark is used in the preparation of bark. So bark, Cinchona officinalis and Mesotherium bark is used. Fresh bark is used. Bark of fruit Baptisia tinctoria and Berberis vulgaris. Inner bark Cinnamomum. Bark of branches Daphne indica. Bark of fruit and stem Hamamelis virginica. Dried bark is Curchi Hollerina anticentrica. Moving on, remedy which are prepared from the disease product of human being, lower animal and disease plant are called nosodes. Time of resins are collected in early spring or at the time of development of leaves and blossom. As regard the plant, the part which are used for preparation of mother tincture, mother substance are to be collected at specified time. Whole plant is in flowering season, partly in flower, partly in bud during sunny weather. Roots annual early in autumn, biennial in spring second year, perennial in second third year before they develop woody fibers. Stem after development of leaves. Leaves before and during early part of flowering. Leaves of in spring or second year as soon as flowering stem. Young shoot in spring when the whole plant is full vigor. Twig often of present year growth. Flower partly in bud, partly in blossom in dry weather. Bulb as soon as they mature when the leaf begin to decay. Bark resinous early spring or the development of leaves and blossom. Bark non-resinous late in autumn. Narcotic while in bloom and just before or coming into bloom. Arsenate of lime. Calcarea ars is prepared from arsenate of lime. Carbonate of lime, calcarea carb. Yellow sulfurate of arsenic is the common name of arsenic sulfuran flavum or trisulfate. As2S3. Acetate of lime is common name of calcarea acetica. Cinna is prepared from flowering top. Medicine prepared from flowers, flowering head. Cinna is prepared from flowering head and also leaves, calendula eupatorium. Stigma, dried stigma, Crocus sativus, flower bud, Prunus spinosa. Mesotherium from bark, Cinnamomum from inner bark. Acerub europaeum is prepared from whole plant. Seeds. Sabadella is prepared from dried seeds. Medicine prepared from the seeds, fresh seed and dried seed. Sabidilla is prepared from dry seeds. Fresh seed, Avena sativa, ignatia, Physostigma, Cyzes. Dried seed, dry seed, Nux vomica, Nux moschata, Jatropha, Coffea, Cocculus.